Hello and welcome back. This is unboxing video number 3. I recently ordered a whole bunch of art supplies. If you've been following along, I decided to be kind of cool to show you what it's like opening these up so that you guys can see how those supplies come, kind of what to expect from each of these suppliers. This is video number 3, and it is a bunch of supplies that I got from Alpha Enamel, or Alpha 6 Corporation. Thanks. Hope you enjoy.
Time to open up this box here. I have been getting supplies from Alpha Enamel for quite a while, since before they even started making paint, and they were just making tools, which I guess they're not going to be making tools here soon. By the way, probably should have said this in some of the other videos. I'm not sponsored by any of these people. I just wanted to share with you guys who it is that I order supplies from. Got no video sponsors, no sponsors for art or anything like that. I don't even make money off of my YouTube videos or anything at this point. Simply putting it out there to, in this case, show you guys what to expect. So here's some Alpha Enamel. I've never had any problems with that being open in the box. Any spills. Got some clear here. This is in a different container than the ones that I've gotten in the past. You can see sealed up pretty good. They've started putting stuff in these cans like this. I don't know that I'm a huge fan, only because I had the top on one of those kind of deteriorate on me on some solvent. I kind of like the old cans that they used to put them in with the screw top, at least for the solvents. Might work better for the clear. The clear I got before was in a can with a lid that you could pop off. And then go through here with the packing slip amongst all our packing peanuts. And that's what's in this box. So, one more shot here of our supplies. Some high temp reducer, Alpha Enamel, and some clear. All of them seem undamaged and packaged very well. As a quick note, everything that was ordered from Alpha came in pretty quick, and I had no problems ordering it. It was pretty simple. This has been video number 3. Please hit that subscribe button so you guys catch the next one. Thanks.